Hello, this is Magnolia Empress with the twin flame reading for the water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Let's see what's going on in relations to twin flames for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. What's going on in the love world for you guys? Travel. Movement, meaning, adventure. Be ready for new experiences. I just heard spice of life. Okay, so I don't know if y'all going out to eat, starting to go back on dates more, traveling to islands later on. Maybe y'all should be making plans for on a vacation. But let's see. Okay, let's see. 10 of Wands, Page of Cups, Hangman, Temperance, and 10 of Cups. Okay. All right. Okay. 10 of Wands, maybe the relationship that you have right now is kind of weighing down things, and that's why maybe that's why there's this need to travel. It's time for you to get out. Maybe you've been stuck in the house too much, and now it's just time to go ahead and get out and move. With this Page of Cups energy, I kind of feel like it's time for something new. Maybe an offer is coming for you to hang out with your loved one and get a new perspective on things. Things are stagnant, and in order for you to move forward and get things restored, you're gonna have to shake it up, and then it will bring the joy back into the relationship. You're ready for something new. You're ready for something new in a relationship. Not necessarily a new person, but you want a new way to love each other, because things are starting to get cold and you need that fire restored. You feel like you're in a bubble in a relationship by yourself, and maybe they don't see you, and that's why you kind of got this spark going with the light bulb. You're trying to say, hey, look at me, I can't do this by myself. I feel like I'm alone and I need you there with me. So let's get some clarification. Cards don't want to work with me today. Please. Please. Okay, we got the 10 of Cups back at the bottom. My bad, y'all. That's my alarm clock, just in case I fall asleep while I'm working from home. Alright, I'm sorry, y'all. Anyway. My nose itching. Alright, Spirit has a lot to say all of a sudden. Alright, Spirit, talk to me about this 10 of Wands. Talk to me about this 10 of Wands. If the volume has changed, it's because my Bluetooth went on. Yeah. If you're with an air sign person, they're not speaking as much as they used to. Not really speaking. Y'all are talking to each other, but you're not really listening. Maybe they're so focused on other things that it pulled them away from focusing on a relationship, and that's why you're in this resting period where things are kind of stagnant and you like, I don't know, you like, what the fuck, are you sure you want to be with me? But that's not necessary. Maybe it's time for them to realize it's more to love than just being there, and maybe it's time for you as the water sign to put actions to how you feel and speak up and say, this is how I want to be loved. We're so intuitive. We think other people are intuitive, in tune with our emotions too, without us talking. We have a knack for picking up on how people feel, even if they're not even in the room. So, and we expect that of other people, but that's not necessarily how it works. We have to learn how to speak up and use words as well. So that's the feeling I'm getting. So you're communicating with each other, but just in different ways, and it's a deadlock. There it is, trying to find the balance again with this Temperance and Two of Pentacles. I got to find a balance in communicating with each other. And then once you do that, then with the travel, things will move forward better. So you just gotta find a way to get the relationship to moving again. Because don't forget the Ten of Cups is here, so the love is there. It's just y'all all over the place. It's like it's a knot, and y'all moving, but y'all not connecting, and y'all eventually have to slow down and say, hey, where you at? I'm here. And then y'all will be together again. Okay, so let's get some advice from Spirit. So, satin sheet seduction. Okay, so there's one place that maybe outside of the bedroom y'all miscommunicating with each other, but as far as sex go, you guys are there. Y'all just have to talk to each other. Maybe one person is in their head too much while y'all in bed, and so the other person has to communicate in the bedroom, because that's where your guards are down the most, if you get what I'm saying. And so maybe if you whisper during that pillow talk time, then things will get better. Environment, maybe you're listening to a lot of music. Pay attention to songs, and maybe that'll let you know, give you ideas on how to talk to each other, how to communicate each other, how to express how you feel for one another. Your hopes and fears, keys to my heart. Y'all meant to be together. The love is there. It's ridiculous. Y'all just have to talk, and then the final outcome is spring. So if you want to know if you guys to travel should go out on plan a vacation or a romantic time together, I'm suggesting do it next spring, not this spring. Okay, maybe next year, 2021. Yeah, in a nutshell, it's time for the relationship to move further. But and then with that, I'm looking at adventure with this. maybe y'all just need to be a little bit more playful with each other. Don't be so serious about the relationship, and get out of your heads and chit chat, play around, play some music while y'all in the bed together, and let that pull you guys back into the relationship. I've been stuck on this song by Usher called Tell Me. It opens up your heart for love so much, it's ridiculous. And then to know that Usher actually wrote and produced that song himself, it's amazing. Read the lyrics first, then listen to the song. And if that isn't an expression of a couple, a twin flame relationship, and how they feel about each other, it's like you love each other and y'all at that moment where things are rocky, but that bond is just there. You can't deny it. So yeah, if you get some free time, listen to that song. It's on the Hard to Love album. He didn't do a video for it. It's one of those hidden gems, and maybe that'll help you get an idea of how you want to renew the passion in your relationship, because the fire is there. Y'all just have to figure out how to express it to one another. All right, so this is the reading for water signs: Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio with a twin flame relationship. Leave comments below, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.